Hey there guys, welcome to another Pointless As video. Well, this isn't really pointless, this one. This is a few updates that I've made on my Windows 9. Now, as you can tell, I'm using the Microsoft 2013 PowerPoint. Dad got it from work, and he was allowed to put it on 5 computers or something. Yeah, so thanks Dad. So we've got these are all the stuff down here, all the tiles. And I really like how this is all set up, because I added kind of like something of Windows 7 in here, but also the Metro theme from Windows 8. So I tried to make it look as Windows 8 as possible. Now, if you don't know, in the description, or there will be an annotation at the end of the video or something, there I will show you, like, that you can see the original, like, excuse me. You can see the original things like this, and I don't think they're the best in the world, but you know, one of my friends told me that kind of like Windows really liked blue, so I changed all the stuff, because this used to be this used to be a dark blue, but this all used to be yellow down here. Anyway, so you've got your logins. If I just open this up a bit more there, so you've got your loading, and then you've got your login stuff. Welcome. There you got desktop. I'll show you that properly in a bit. Got all the stuff that comes down. Blah 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 blah. You've got that. So you've got all this stuff, and so right, let's take a look. So Windows 9. So it starts loading. Now I put 5 on this because, yeah, it'll be 2015 probably if this comes out. Well, this is what I'm expecting. This will come out in 2015, well, my concept anyway. So it still will take quite a long time. That scrunch effect is new in the 2013. So they all bounce in. You can click on each one of these, but you click on James. Now, here's the good part about this. It's lagging as well. There we go. Let's do that. And so basically what we have here is, this didn't do this last time, it slides outwards and then it has your password here and then you log in. Because it's a concept, I don't actually type the password in because you can't do, I don't know how to do that. A bit more loading here. That was just making a little circle, grouping them all together and just spinning them, adding a little bounce as well. That's a nice little new thing as well. I like bouncing things, if you know what I mean, because there's like bounce filters in all of them actually. Right, here is the desktop, and it looks much different from what it used to look like. It's always going to be 1957 now, always. Because I can't exactly, at the moment I'm not sure how to make a 24-hour clock. So since the last build that I've done on this, there used to be the start menu down here, and there wasn't any taskbar either. Taskbar doesn't exactly, this part doesn't exactly do anything at the moment. It's always going to be a clear night with 8 degrees. This thing's still here. So yeah, the if you click on the Skype, there's the Skype. Now I don't know if anyone noticed this. Dave Thompson went for a curry last night, and now I've got a. And the chat actually says, "Hey, have you still got that BlackBerry? Yeah, you can have it for 50 quid. Sweet, where can I pick it up? So you've got status mode over here, which drops down. You can change that to way and stuff. I got the inspiration for this design. I can't remember where it was, but there was a guy who did a concept video for what he thinks Skype will look like in the future. Anyway, so there's that. These other ones don't work at the moment, which is kind of sucks, but you know, there's a little bit of a glitch there. See, it's still 1957 or 757. So when you actually click start now, the menu will pop up, and I've changed this a bit as well. So if we load up the browser, I've used the same things as the internet as I did on the internet. I got this, I just did a bit of snipping tool and I put that there. Made this on Photoshop. So this is a nice thing, because I've got a backup and a C drive, so the Internet Explorer, I tried to keep some elements in as well. Oh, and as you see down here, the taskbar is always like that. So I kept kind of like that little element of, I made it kind of like transparent, the edges of it. But I've got the little tab here, and I've got the little It's all transparent. Well, not almost all transparent, but you know what I mean. Kind of transparent. You've got a forward and backwards button here, your home button where you can type, you Google up. You can't exactly type anything at the moment. I need to figure out how to do that. So you've got your Windows Media Player. Now, yeah, I just put that there because I like Popcorn Nerds and, you know. But if you actually click that, it will play it. Don't know if you can hear that. But if you see down here, it actually moves along. I just chose a free song because in case you could hear it, you can hear it, then I won't get copyrighted. If you can count. The only bad thing about this is you can't pause it at the moment, which is kind of bad. Well, that happens. I don't know what's going on there. You know, but I don't do it because this was just supposed to be kind of like I float around and I don't actually show you and stuff. Right, if you click to the other, and there's a few changes here as well. I've made all of this like baby bloom kind of stuff. Microsoft Office 2015. Now with Skype, I'm pretty pleased with this because like when it fades as well, it kind of looks like there's just something popping up because it just comes back to that. I'm thinking of in a next later thing making a control panel that you can like play around with. I've put Blender, Adobe Master Collection CS9. I'm not sure that I will do anything for that, but possibly I might do something for Google Chrome as well. But if you go to Microsoft Office 2015, you click on that and it comes up with this. I just designed this very quickly on Photoshop, that's all it was. So you can't exactly click on any of the other ones, it's just Word. This was just a screenshot of Word 2013 though, so you know. Because this wasn't exactly supposed to be a Word design as well, but then I'm thinking, after I said that to someone who asked me, oh, why is this just Word 2013? I said that and I was then thinking, wait, why have I just designed something for Skype then? So, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I got a Windows 8 background and I just put Windows 9 logo there. Background's a bit different, and then when you click shutdown, scrunches all up, says goodbye, and then it fades. So yeah, that's pretty much the few updates. So I've added a password thingy in, changed it all to baby blue, and yeah, pretty much. But anyway, see you guys later. This has been a Pointless As.